The next wave of millionaires and billionaires won't be programmers. They won't be influencers. They won't be sales gurus grinding cold calls all day. They'll be AI tool power users. Right now, most people use AI like a toy. They chat with it. Copy, paste, tweak, repeat. But the real money? It's in using AI as infrastructure, as your invisible team. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI tools you can use to build real income without writing a single line of code. Even better, I'll show you how to package them into offers you can sell immediately. Let's get into it. 1. Manus AI, your done-for-you lead machine. Most people manually research leads. Manus automates the entire process, opening tabs, scraping data, organizing files, even sending emails. Here's the play. Go to a local business and ask, do you want more customers? Of course they'll say yes. Then, offer a monthly lead generation service. Every month, you deliver 500 qualified leads. Manus does the heavy lifting. You charge a retainer. To them, it looks like weeks of research. To you, it's automation. 2. Gamma. Turn messy notes into killer presentations. Gamma transforms rough notes, voice memos, or emails into polished slide decks and documents. Businesses constantly need sales decks, training presentations, and proposals. Offer to become their presentation partner. They send raw ideas. You deliver clean, persuasive decks. Charge per project or monthly. You're not designing from scratch. AI is. You're packaging and positioning. 3. Descript. Edit video like a Google Doc. Descript lets you edit video by editing text. Delete filler words. Cut mistakes. Tighten content without advanced editing skills. Target YouTubers, podcasters, and coaches. Offer monthly content editing packages. They send footage. You clean it up fast. AI handles the hard part. Volume equals recurring revenue. 4. 11 Labs. AI voice cloning for marketing. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Here's a powerful niche: real estate agents. Rewrite their listing scripts using AI, then generate high-converting voiceovers using their cloned voice. Add that to listing videos and ads. You're improving their conversions, not just editing content. That's worth premium pricing. 5. Social Sweep. Monetize relationships. Every business owner has untapped contacts. Social Sweep analyzes their social media, email, LinkedIn, and calendar to map their network. You become their relationship activation manager. Install the system. Identify partnerships, investors, talent. Write outreach emails using AI. Charge monthly to continuously unlock opportunities inside their existing network. You're turning contacts into capital. 6. Claude. High-converting copy on demand. Claude is exceptional at writing persuasive copy, emails, ads, landing pages, scripts. Businesses struggle with messaging. You sit down with them, extract their voice and market positioning, then use Claude to generate campaigns. Load the copy into their email platforms and landing pages. Charge a monthly marketing retainer. You're not guessing. You're systemizing conversion. 7. Make.com. Automation without code. Make connects apps and automates workflows. Ask businesses, what process frustrates you? Lead routing, CRM updates, client onboarding, reporting. Build automations that eliminate repetitive tasks. Charge an upfront setup fee and a monthly maintenance retainer. One automation can replace an employee. That's high perceived value. 8. Membership.io. Turn audiences into communities. Many creators have audiences but no monetization structure. Offer to build and manage a paid membership community using membership.io. You handle setup, structure, onboarding, and AI-powered content organization. Best model? Take a percentage of new revenue you generate. You unlock a new income stream for them and get paid continuously. 9. Buddy Pro. Build digital twins for experts. Buddy Pro creates AI-powered digital clones of coaches, consultants, and experts. It turns their knowledge into a 24/7 AI assistant their audience can interact with. You get paid to set it up, train it, and manage it. For the expert, it creates a lower-priced entry point product. For you, it's recurring revenue. You're productizing their brain. 10. ChatGPT, the easiest AI service to sell. Yes, ChatGPT. Most people use 10% of its power. Offer ChatGPT optimization and training services. Set up custom GPTs. Build master prompts. Create workflow templates tailored to their business. Charge a setup fee plus a monthly AI advisor retainer. With hundreds of millions of users, the market is massive. You don't need to be the smartest, just slightly ahead. How to package this into a real offer. Here's the secret. Don't sell tools. Sell outcomes. Instead of saying, "I'll install automation," say, "I'll save you 20 hours a week," instead of, "I'll build your membership site." Say, "I'll create a new $10,000 month revenue stream." Bundle tools together. For example, Manus plus Claude Deck lead generation plus outreach system. Make plus ChatGPT Deck's automated operations engine. Buddy Pro plus membership.io plus scalable knowledge product. Create a simple structure. Audit. Setup. Monthly optimization. That's your agency model. The next generation of wealth won't belong to the people who build AI. It will belong to the people who know how to apply it. Right now, most businesses are overwhelmed. They don't know where to start. That's your opportunity. Become the bridge between AI and business results. Master the tools. Package the outcome. Sell the transformation. You don't need to code. You don't need funding. You just need leverage. And AI is the greatest leverage tool ever created. The wave is already forming. The only question is, are you riding it or watching it pass?